In 2022, multiple U.S. government agencies, including the Pentagon, began taking UFO sightings seriously. Why? Because they had no choice. There's now a growing body of scientific evidence, verified radar contacts, infrared video, and multiple highly trained military pilot eyewitness accounts. These aren't blurry amateur clips or lone wolf claims. They're solid, repeatable, and cross-verified by modern technology. Let's dive into the encounter that changed everything. The 2004 USS Nimitz Tic Tac incident. It began with a training mission off the coast of Southern California. The USS Princeton, a U.S. Navy ship equipped with advanced radar systems, detected strange aircraft maneuvering in ways that defied conventional flight physics. Objects were dropping from 80,000 feet to near sea level in under a second, then vanishing or reappearing miles away. After days of these readings, the Princeton called for visual confirmation. Two FA-18F Super Hornet fighter jets were scrambled, each carrying 2 trained pilots and equipped with forward-looking infrared (FLIR) targeting systems. When they arrived at the coordinates, they spotted it. A white, oval object, about the size of a commercial plane, but smooth, wingless, and silent. It hovered just above a patch of churning water. No rotors, no exhaust, no obvious propulsion. The object performed impossible maneuvers, zigzagging in mid-air, then suddenly stopping, pivoting, and accelerating faster than any known aircraft. One pilot later described it as moving like a ping-pong ball inside a glass jar. And just like that, it was gone. It reappeared 60 kilometers away less than a minute later, tracked by radar. The pilots were stunned. These were not hallucinations. The onboard sensors confirmed everything. This was not just a visual encounter. It was multi-sensor, multi-pilot, multi-platform. In any scientific framework, that's strong evidence, strong enough to demand serious attention. And yet, for decades prior, the U.S. government had officially ignored or downplayed UFO reports. Programs like Project Blue Book, which analyzed thousands of sightings from 1947 to 1969, concluded that most were misidentified aircraft or natural phenomena. That conclusion shaped public perception for generations. UFO witnesses were often dismissed or mocked. But the Tic Tac incident changed the game. It matched all the criteria scientists use to validate extraordinary claims. Multiple trained observers, technological sensor data, radar, infrared, physical characteristics defying conventional engineering. Repeatability. The objects were tracked over multiple days. Following the release of the Tic Tac footage and other verified Navy videos, the Pentagon was forced to admit that unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, are real and worthy of scientific inquiry. This led to the creation of new government task forces and open congressional hearings. Pilots and intelligence officials were invited to testify. For the first time in modern history, the U.S. government acknowledged that it does not know what these objects are. Are they secret military tech, foreign surveillance drones, or something beyond? We don't have the full answers yet. But what we do have is enough to shift the global conversation. The stigma is eroding, science is catching up, and Infinity Beyond will be here to guide you through it, one unexplained mystery at a time.